Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. And in my channel, you'll get to know all this stuff. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. A review about Sonata Analog Black Dial Woman Watch. I bought this watch from Amazon. You can see here it's showing as 599 bucks, but I bought this watch for 575 rupees and I gifted this watch for my mom. She has similar kind of watch and she lost it, and I searched similar kind of watch and gifted to her. You can see here the color is black and the material, which is made up of leather, it's a water resistance, and if you buy this from Amazon you will get 1 year warranty. By wearing this, you can see I suggest friends that this watch will be suitable whose age is more than 30, 40, because these kind of watches, like girls, they will not wear. It's not so trendy, it's like traditional one, and it also depends on their own perspective, but still I suggest that for girls it's not suitable. You can buy this for your mom or for your aunties and all. Yeah, just for 575 it's very affordable, and its quality is very good, and it's a brand of Sonata. Hope you like this video, guys. It's a quick review about this watch. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.